Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Jazzy Joe. So we all have heard about MAC Hall, Sephora Hall, and whatnot. If you live in Switzerland, you know that MAC is not everywhere, Sephora is not everywhere, but what is everywhere is import perfumery. It's everywhere, even railway stations have it, and it's just available everywhere. And what we do not know is that import perfumery goes for a real massive sale minimum two times a year. And that's when I hit the store and I shop for Apocalypse. Not that I don't shop for Apocalypse other places, but I am a huge fan of buying things on discount and saving money on the things that I anyway would buy. I am collecting high-end makeup these days, and they are very expensive, of course, and they will burn a hole in your pocket. So in order to save myself from that, I am always on the lookout for discount prices and sale opportunities. So this was my opportunity in import perfumery, and I've done a major shopping haul there. Let me take you through all of the items that I bought, and these items can inspire you and can give you the ideas for your next skincare or makeup purchase. So let's go. And if you're not into buying any one of these things, it's fine. Just let's have some fun. You would agree that home chores are a never-ending task. So I do not get the time to apply face packs or take care of my skin so much. So these days what I'm doing is I'm taking the skincare to bed, literally. So here is what I bought: a night mask. This is a Lancome Energy Devi. Okay, I am really bad at pronouncing the French words. Oh, and I think there are two lines from Lancome that are completely a smash hit, and that is the Genifique line and this Energy Devi line. I think these sleepover masks, they do two kind of things. First, they do the whole skin rejuvenation thing while you're sleeping, and that day you also save on night cream, if you know what I mean. So if you don't promise to ask how old I am, I hope I don't have to tell you, but let's say I'm not very young. And these days I'm a tad bit conscious about the symptoms of age coming up. So I bought myself this Elizabeth Arden's retinol ceramide capsules. This is called the line erasing night serum. This is the retinol capsules, and I'm very excited to use them. I've never used them before, but I saw this and I read the description and everything, and it was really exciting for me, and it was on a very nice price as well. I will give you a review after I use it, how I feel, but I'm quite excited to use this. And one more brand that I really like, and I have a lot of products from, is Shiseido. And this time I bought this Ibuki Softening Concentrate Lotion. It's a deep infusion formula which just delivers these ingredients right into the skin and preps it up for the next steps. But I think I'm going to use it like a moisturizer, because I anyway would go for a primer and things like that. Then it loads up with a lot of oils. I'm a huge fan of makeup, and I apply makeup pretty much every day or every other day. If I'm going to work, I'll definitely wear some makeup. And I love my makeup collection, and I must use it up. So sometimes, even in these COVID times, I'm wearing makeup at home, and even for these videos I use my products. So I'm very happy that everything is in the running and they're not like lying on the shelves and getting wasted. But right now I already have some bottles open, so this is going to be not used immediately. This is gonna go to my drawer where I collect all the cosmetics which are in packing. Whenever I go for travel, whenever I see the products that I really want and they are on good price, I just keep collecting them. This drawer also has a lot of things which I give to my friends as gifts, and if on their birthdays or whatever comes, so I just pick up one product from that, and usually they are very happy with those gifts. Then another product from the skincare department, I bought this Clinique City Block Purifying Charcoal Cleansing Gel. Of course, Clinique has an amazing reputation as a brand, and their products are very amazing. Of late, I have become a huge fan of charcoal products like charcoal face mask and even face wash, because it really removes impurities, and when you rub off the black from your face and comes a really refreshed kind of look underneath, it gives you a very good feeling. So here is my new charcoal face wash. I am always running out, and I'm never enough of primers. So this is my primer from the balm, which is called Time Balm, and this is like skincare plus primer. So it's filled with vitamin A, C and E, which anyway my skin loves. And back in India, when I used to go for a lot of facials, then I was going for this facial called ACE, which is done with things containing vitamin A, C and E. And after that facial, always my skin used to be so happy and shine and glow. So I know my skin loves the ACE formula, and this primer has it. So I'm very excited to use this one as well. Although my perfect primers are mostly NARS and Krylon. And at the top of it, it was just available for just 3 francs. I just put this one in the basket as well. It's a beeswax balm for rough skin. I think I'm going to use it on my feet when I sleep, just to wake up with hydrated feet and maybe hands as well. Oh, I forgot. There's one more product for skincare, and this is the Energy V lotion. It's this green bottle. I'll show you. This is pretty much my 3rd bottle, which is halfway through, and I will be running out of it, not very soon but soon sometime. So I bought already refill because it was available on such a great price. So I just got one more for myself. I just love this green line, and this is usually my first step after I apply my toner. This is my moisturizer. This is what I use for moisturizer, especially in summers, because then in summer the skin already is oozing a lot of oils and you do not need so much of moisturizing, but you need of course something to make your skin soft and supple, and this does exactly that thing. It makes the skin very supple and smoothens it out. It has a pearly texture to it. Actually right now I'm also wearing the same thing, and it gives the perfect start for the rest of the makeup and skincare. So love this one. So that's all for my skincare, and now let's go to the makeup. Although I have become a self-proclaimed expert at makeup over the years, but still I haven't got the full hang of applying false lashes just on the go. Like I cannot just say, hey, flap and my false lashes are done. If I ever want to use false lashes, it is usually a process and it takes really long, and sometimes it even spoils my makeup. So I usually do not apply false lashes, and mostly I have a heavy duty mascara on my eyes, and many people ask me if these are real. Yes, these are real. Mostly these are real only. If there are any 2 companies which have understood mascara, that's Maybelline and Lancome. Really, they are absolute mind-blowing mascaras. So this mascara is usually 45, but I got it for 30 this time. Here is the Lancome Hypnose. This is a special bottle. This is the 15th anniversary collector's edition. Wow, I'm very excited to use this, but since I already have a running mascara, which is also Lancome Hypnose, this is gonna go in the backup. The next thing I've bought for makeup is the Dior Skin Nude Air Powder. I have been wanting to buy this product since forever, and I never got around to it, and the reason is it's very expensive, and I always had some of the other powders running. But I want to open this and I want to show you how beautiful this product is. Like, look at that. This is how it is looking, and look how beautiful the packaging is. It looks absolutely wonderful, and it comes with its own kabuki brush. It's gonna be so soft on the skin. I'm so excited to use this product. And if you are brown skin like me, then this is the number 30, and it really suits the brown skin. I know it looks a bit dark for some and bit light for some, but actually it will fit all Indian tones. I'm telling you, this is really fitting well. This is another powder makeup that I bought. Yes, I know I already bought the Dior one, so I didn't need this one, but I bought this because I already used the same shade in the liquid foundation, and then I saw this one which was in the matching color for the powder foundation, and then it's very good for setting. And since this is summertime, this is the time to wear powder foundation, and I'm not gonna lose my chance to do that. And I'm also gonna open this to show you. Look at this packaging. Like, really, these products have such beautiful packaging. Like, look at the packaging. It looks so decent, so classy. And I mean, if you are somewhere and you open something so classic like that and you apply, it's like it's so beautiful. And the last tiny thing that I bought is this blush called Hot Mama, and this is actually a very beautiful shade. It's like the MAC Peachy Keen, and it looks like this. It's this color, this corally golden color. So I think it's gonna act like blush and highlighter 2-in-1. I think this is going to become my favorite very, very soon because I really like multi-purpose products, and this is like a highlighter and blush together, so I think I'm gonna quite enjoy this one. And since I bought all of these things, I got a lot of the small miniature, small perfumes, small creams, some face masks, etc. to try. But this is also, I got a special gift from the import perfumery lady. This is a really beautiful, it is a beautiful Yves Saint Laurent makeup pouch that the import perfumery lady gave me. I'm quite happy about it. It's spacious as well as very good in quality. So I'm excited to use this as well. So these are some things that I bought. I will post some photographs on Instagram, and I will also give you an update or review of these products when I use them, especially the Elizabeth Arden ceramide capsules. I'm really excited to use them. So yes, this is my import perfumery haul, and the sale is still on. So if you want to buy some of these cool products that you've seen in this video or something that you like, please go ahead, hit the store. These are the products that we would buy anyway, and when on sale, why not take the benefit of it? These sales give you the opportunity to try something new which you haven't tried before. For example, for me, this Elizabeth Arden retinol capsules, I've never tried them before, and I'm very excited to try them this time. In this price I can try it, but if it is in like 65-70 franc price range, I think I will not just try these things. I hope you enjoy my haul and collection and you got some ideas out of it. Thank you for watching this video. Ciao till next time.